When people say that the system is not working, I disagree. The system is working perfectly. This is how the system is designed to work.
Yep.
I mean, again, घिसी पिटी बातें हैं ये फैजान, ये आपने 1000 बार की होगी. लेकिन if you're investing less than 1% in education, what the hell are you expecting, यार?
Yeah.
I'm incredibly morbid. I was always that weird kid, with like the horror magazines and मतलब वो Dracula के पोस्टर लगे होते हैं, बाकी उन्हें मतलब फिल्म स्टार लगाए होते थे, मैंने बलाएं लगाई होती थी. Shazeb like Jilani was also like, there's something wrong with you. And I'm like, मैंने कहा एक चीज होती तो मैं बताता. बैटमैन बेचारे की गाड़ियां मतलब खड्डों में फंस जाएगी. लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, ओ देखो बुर्का पहन के घूम रहा है, तो
खाली वीगो मुझे लगता है आज नजर आने वाली है.
आजकल वीगो मार्केट में शॉर्ट है. ड्यू टू क्योंकि एलसी खुल नहीं रही ना, कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं करा.
Hello and welcome everyone to Digitales episode 65. My name is Faizan Syed, founder and CEO of East River. And today I have a friend, a famous journalist, I was not allowed to use the word renowned, who is going to join us and have a great discussion on possibly everything you can consider interesting. Zarar Khoro, how are you today?
मुल्क की तरह मेरी भी वाट लगी हुई है. मैं कह सकता हूँ वाट लगी हुई है यार.
आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं.
बस फिर सही.
क्यों लगी हुई है, क्या हो क्या रहा है?
या मेरे साथ या मुल्क के साथ?
सेम वजह से वाट लगी हुई है.
नहीं, आई मीन देखिए, हाँ बात तो एक ही है. मतलब मेरे ख्याल है कि पूरे मुल्क की तरह मैं भी सुबह को जागता हूँ, एक मतलब एंग्जाइटी होती है कि यार अब दोबारा डू आई हैव टू डू दिस ऑल ओवर अगेन.
राइट.
एंड मतलब मुल्क को भी पता नहीं कितने साल हो गए हैं मुल्क को. 75. मुझे 50 होने वाले हैं और मुझे भी नहीं पता कि आज तक मुझे नहीं पता लगा कि मैं हूँ कौन.
It sounds like the same problem as the country.
I think it's as they say na, as above so below. The micro reflects the macro. I mean, if you want to get into quantum philosophy right now, we could. Everything relates to everything.
But what is your take on what is surrounding us? We're plagued with a political problem, an economic problem, an identity problem. I mean, what is the root cause?
Militancy problem.
A militancy problem.
I mean,
what is the root cause of this problem? Is it lack of leadership? I mean, there's a lot of leaders around us. I look everywhere, there's leaders nazar aate hain.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's difficult to encapsulate into any one sentence. Okay. I mean,
so let's use two sentences.
Economically, it's very simple. I mean, अगर बिल्कुल मैं जट्टों का हिसाब लगाऊं,
right,
तो जितना आप खर्चते हो उतना आप कमाते ही नहीं हो. I mean, what does it boil down to? I mean, this is what it boils down to. ना यार, इतना तो मतलब आप एक फ्रेंच फ्राई का ठेला नहीं चला सकते, आप मन कबाब का ठेला नहीं चला सकते.
तो हम कमाते ज्यादा क्यों नहीं है? या खर्चे कम कर लें.
हाँ, अब यही है ना, वो नहीं करना. देखिए, हमारा वही मसला है ना. अब जैसे अब हर 3-4 महीने आपने जाना है दोस्त मवालिक के पास. हाँ, तो इट्स लाइक दिस ना फैजान, के मेरा एक रिश्तेदार है, वो मेरा बड़ा करीबी है, ठीक है, वी हैड गुड टाइम्स टुगेदर, अब हर महीने वो मेरे घर आता है अपनी BMW में, ठीक है, और साथ उसके पास 3 गार्ड भी होते हैं, अपना खानसामा भी लाता है, पीछे वो ऑल्टो सिविक में वो पीछे आ रहे होते हैं, जो भी, ठीक है, वो आता है मेरे पास, मैं उसको खाना भी खिलाता हूँ, वो बैठता है, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करता है, निकलते हुए कहता है कि अच्छा यार वो पेट्रोल के पैसे नहीं है भाई. अगर मैं उसे कहूँ कि यार तू मतलब BMW से तुम CD70 पे क्यों नहीं आते, वो कहते हैं नहीं यार ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है. So that's kind of, I think,
that's the problem
in a nutshell.
But अगर ये आइडेंटिफाई हम कर सकते हैं और कर चुके हैं
1000 बार,
तो अगर कर चुके हैं आइडेंटिफाइड, is there no one who can help take that decision?
देखो फैजान, every morning I wake up
and go into austerity for a small period.
Every night I go to sleep saying कि कल से ना तुमने जिम जाना है, कल से ना तुमने सिगरेट कम करने हैं, कल से ना तुमने थोड़ा सा मतलब इंसानों की तरह रहना है, इंसानों की तरह खाना खाना है. But here we are.
No gym, no
इंसान. Here we are, no gym. सिगरेट पे सिगरेट, मतलब कहीं घी वाले ये, घी वाला वो. तो पॉइंट इज कि देखो, I mean, it's one thing to have thought and it's one thing to have intent. It's a completely different thing to transform those into action.
Right.
तो हम वहीं पे आके फंस जाते हैं ना, इसीलिए हम पे गोल गोल ही घूमते रहते हैं.
So then there is no future. Yeah. That's it.
देखो अभी तो I'm very sorry to say I have find very little room for optimism. Due to multiple factors.
Does that explain why so many people are leaving the country?
Yes, I think so.
In mass, like record numbers.
I think so. देखो मैं तो पागल हूँ. Unfortunately, I'm not employable anywhere else in the world anymore. Right? I mean, उनको क्या जरूरत है मेरी? तो मैं तो इधर ही हूँ.
But you can earn well on digital, creating your own content.
ये खुदा के लिए सिखा दो यार, सिखा दो भाई.
ये तो done है.
सिखा दो यार.
You will be an independent contractor working on your own digital
platform. घी शक्कर, you know. So you could really strong coffee यार, ऐसे लग रहा है कि मतलब आधे कोलंबिया के बीज आपने इसके अंदर डाल दिए. दोनों वाले मेरे हाथ भी कांप रहे हैं, वो सफेद वाले भी.
कोलंबिया की काफी चीजें हैं इस कॉफी.
वही कह रहा हूँ. पाब्लो भाई जिंदाबाद.
तो अब मुझे ये बताएं कि अगर यहाँ पे you think intent है?
I think some people do have the intent.
So the intent's not there entirely either. Action तो दूर की बात है.
नहीं, I think देखो it's again right. I mean look again जट्टों का हिसाब, not an economist, but I mean एक चीज मुझे समझ में आती है कि if I have money and it makes more sense for me to buy a plot or several plots in phase 8 as opposed to set up a business,
right,
your economic wheel will never start spinning. Very simply because अगर मैंने suppose मेरे पास 10 करोड़ है, नहीं है,
right,
फर्ज करो होते, काश होते. जिस दिन डॉलर 1000 पर होगा ना मेरे पास होंगे, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Anyway, point is कि अगर मेरे लिए बेहतर है कि मैं प्लॉट खरीदूं. अच्छा, मैंने प्लॉट खरीद दिया है, ठीक है. Am I employing anybody?
No one.
No.
You're rent seeking.
I'm rent seeking. Am I paying any taxes? Am I generating any economic activity?
You've just parked your cash.
I've just parked my cash.
With that guy. That guy's going to take it and do the same. And it's just the cap. Cash just keeps...
अच्छा, मैं खुश हूँ, मेरा profit बन रहा है.
Right.
Now, if I then think कि maybe I should set up a business. अच्छा, business मैंने set up किया है तो अच्छा मेरे tax वाला आ गया, फिर ये वाला आ गया, ये
FBR आ जाएगा, सेसी आ जाएगा, लेबर वाला.
यार तुम्हारी जरूरत के तुम पैसे कमा रहे हो, क्यों कमा रहे हो तुम पैसे? किसने कहा था कि तुम पैसे कमाओ? राइट. तो ये होगा, आप मेरे अपने एम्प्लॉइज के हेडेक्स के साथ डील करने हैं, मुझे बिजली का बिल देना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. Why would I do it?
So you're saying we're incentivized in this country,
yes,
to be rent seeking.
Of course.
And to be always begging for...
Well, absolutely. That is the way. Look.
How does that incentive structure change?
When people say that the system is not working, I disagree. The system is working perfectly. This is how the system is designed to work.
So this is our system.
This is our system.
And it's working amazing.
This is I mean, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि अच्छा सिस्टम है या बुरा सिस्टम है. बहुत बुरा सिस्टम है, लेकिन वो बुरा सिस्टम अपने नताइज को हासिल कर रहा है.
तो अगर हमें इस सिस्टम से निकलना है,
अपने मकासद हासिल कर रहा है, सॉरी,
और अगर हमने निकलना है इस रेंट सीकिंग माइंडसेट से, जहाँ पे हम वैल्यू क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे, एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे, what are some of the steps we would have to take in your view from what you've seen?
Now again, I mean, for an expert opinion on that, you will need to talk to like a proper economist. Again, I would say कि
I'm asking from a layman's perspective.
देखो, again, एक तो वो plot वाली बात तो मैंने बोली. If you don't incentivize actual economic growth, look, we've deindustrialized. Okay, and I think one thing is clear कि neoliberal economic policies एक तरफ, every country needs to have an industrial base.
Right.
I mean, the Korean saying is that steel builds nations. यार वो कोरियन पागल तो नहीं है ना? हाँ, ऐसी बात कर रहे हैं तो कोई उसके पीछे कोई चीज होगी, right? Look at our process. How much steel do we domestically produce? हाँ, मतलब ball bearing आपको बाहर से खरीदनी होती है, माचिस के डब्बे हम मुश्किल से बना लेते हैं. And then on the other hand, on the grassroots level, I mean, I see a lot of people doing a lot of innovative work. I mean, I'm here in this place.
Right.
It's good to see that it exists.
Thank you.
I know people who, I mean, I plug them a lot, so I'm not going to plug them right now. But there's a company which produces these sort of controllable prosthetic limbs at very low cost right here in Pakistan.
Right.
I mean, these stories could be global success stories if you facilitate them and largely just get out of their goddamn way.
Right.
Right. हमारा यही होता है, अच्छा कोई नई इंडस्ट्री आ रही है, इसको रेगुलेट करो, इसको टैक्स करो. मैं ये माना, रेगुलेशन आपको चाहिए, आपको ये सारी चीजें चाहिए, बट लेट इट फ्लरिश and then work it. यार, इंडिया ने क्या किया था यार मनमोहन के टाइम पे? They did their structural reform. They were building on an educational base. I mean, again, घिसी पिटी बातें हैं ये, फैजान, ये आपने 1000 बार की होगी, मैंने भी 1000 बार की होगी, आपने 10 लाख बार सुनी होगी, लेकिन if you're investing less than 1% in education, what the hell are you expecting यार? क्या तुम क्या expect कर रहे हो?
So then it's working.
क्या मोजा हो जाएगा? So that's what I'm saying.
It's working according to plan.
The system is working perfectly. Your agricultural land is being converted into housing colonies.
Right.
Government after government says कि जी अगर कोई सेक्टर आपको बचा सकता है वो रियल एस्टेट है.
हाँ.
बाद में कहते हैं कि नहीं, अच्छा जी मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कि ये माफिया है. अच्छा, बहुत खूब यार. तो पता क्या था भाई? ये तो पाकिस्तान के बच्चे को पता है.
हाँ, सही बात है.
So I mean, these are the problems. I mean, yeah, we can go on and on and on.
So then let you mention.
टेंशन होगी, मुझे भी टेंशन होगी. बेहतर है तो अच्छी बात कर ले.
You mentioned a new sector, नई चीजों को explore करें. What is your view on sort of the whole crypto, AI, this blockchain?
I do not understand crypto.
You don't understand?
I do not. I have tried. I'm sorry. I'm a boomer. Okay, actually I'm Gen X, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, colloquially I'm a boomer. मुझे नहीं समझ आती इन चीजों की यार. और जिस चीज की मुझे समझ नहीं आती ना, मैं उसको हाथ नहीं लगाता.
What about AI? What do you see in AI? Because to me,
AI is fascinating.
Because to me, the question is in AI, it lends the question: can AI be the death of journalism?
Okay, so my view on AI is not that alarmist.
Okay.
I think that AI is not going to take your job. But someone who can use AI better than you is 100% going to take your job. So it is, again, yet another tool.
So wait a second, let me back up. You're saying AI is not going to take your job. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I forget. I started my day by going to ChatGPT. And it was one of those days when, you're just like, man, I don't know why I'm like doing business. I should just get a job and a stable income and like shit. Sometimes doing business sucks, man. Like being an entrepreneur is just hard, right? Because you're dealing with everything. And so I was like, I need some motivation. I was sick of these motivation Instagram like memes and bullshit. So I was like, wait a second.
Yeah, those can be annoying.
They're really annoying.
So
I was like, I need someone right now.
Yeah.
I was like, who should I ask? I was like, wait a second. Let me ask ChatGPT. So I went to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT, why is it rewarding to be an entrepreneur? In 400 words. ChatGPT gave me
perfect
in 10 seconds. Like literally the right nuggets I needed to hear in a cohesive. It first identified all the problems with being an entrepreneur. And I was like, yeah, I'm feeling all of this right now. And then it gave me 2 or 3 paragraphs that really cemented.
No, it's revolutionary.
And I was like, oh my goodness.
But again, what I will say is, okay, you see, like, I mean, look, I think there are a lot of fields in which the human element can never be divorced. Certainly, you can have AI doing automated bulletins, reporting on the basic news, right?
Yep.
But the analysis will always be somewhat generic, at least with the current capabilities of
it. Is very generic.
Of AI, but naturally, the very fact that they're producing this analysis to me is revolutionary to begin with. So it will evolve, right? Like, for example, the other day I saw someone posting, and it was an animated video. He was like, I made this on 10 minutes on some, not ChatGPT, but some other platform. I would suggest that as a journalist, you should be integrating that into your work now. I mean, I'm definitely studying it. I'm definitely going to take a look at it. But ultimately, it's another tool. It's another tool. So, I mean, I've grown up on apocalyptic science fiction movies.
Right.
जब मैं AI सुनता हूँ तो मैं तो मतलब 2001, Terminator, blah blah, वो जो हजारों है, वो ज़ाहिर ज़हन में आता है. And certainly that is a concern, especially if when you're moving towards autonomous AI killing machines, right?
Yes.
Now that the kill order has to be given by a human. I mean, I'm not saying it's a good thing that the human does it, right?
Yeah.
But I would be hesitant when we're going in that direction, and eventually somebody will go in that direction. You know how it is.
And so if you look at bulletins, right? So you mentioned bulletins earlier, like in our local news media, in TV news media, whenever there's breaking news, they're literally repeating the same sentence like 55,000 times.
Yeah, you can't do anything else really.
But isn't that a great AI substitute? You even showed me that there's a website
this person
called
does not exist.com.
Exactly. It's fascinating. So if I can take this person does not exist and a picture of a human being who does not exist, stick it on a TV screen, and an AI bot just constantly generates bulletins. You're eliminating an entire
that's true,
news anchor job.
But then you are also creating some other jobs also. Like, for example, no matter how good the AI is, you will always need to monitor it as a human being, in my opinion.
So मैं
आपको छोटी सी मिसाल देता हूँ. I was coming here on Google Maps.
Right.
ठीक है. अच्छा, मैं जा रहा हूँ, Google Map कह रहा है यहाँ से लेफ्ट लो.
Right.
Google Map को नहीं पता कि वहां पर ना वो इंक्रोचमेंट हुई है सारी और लोगों ने बैरियर लगाए हुए हैं.
Right.
A human will tell that. This is another reason I'm never in my life going to get into one of these self-driven cars.
Yeah.
मतलब है ही नहीं यार.
What if the car gets hacked?
What if the car gets hacked? And also, just like the anxiety of it. Yeah. I mean, again, call me a Luddite all you want, man, but I'm not going to do it.
So it's funny. I had someone who's working at Lucid Motors in the EV space, working on autonomy and automotive and autonomous driving. And we talked a lot about sort of what the future of autonomous driving is. And a lot of it is very infrastructure dependent. And
100%.
And no one knows what the future looks like. It's not going to be all autonomous because a lot of people like yourself are just not going to be comfortable in that kind of environment.
और दूसरी बात, I don't care कि if it's like got 1 trillion GBs of RAM.
Yeah.
हाँ, यहाँ पे खारादर में मुझे कोई ऑटोमेटेड ड्राइविंग करके दिखाए. हाँ, वहां से खोते आ रहे हैं, यहाँ से बच्चा भागते हुए आ रहा है, वही 10 कत्ल हो जाएंगे तुम्हारे से. 10 वो इंजन फट जाएगा, वो कहेगा यार माफ करो. मुझे प्लीज वापस टोक्यो न्यूयॉर्क भेजो जहाँ पे इंसानों की तरह रोड सीधे होते हैं.
हमें टेस्ला की टेस्टिंग
उसको पता ही नहीं है कि सामने खड़ा है भाई. उसको पता ही नहीं है कि कल इस रोड को खोद दिया था. उसको ये नहीं पता कि यहाँ पे पीटीआई का धरना चल रहा है.
तो ये
तो मतलब वहां पथराव हो रहा है. ये किसी AI को पता लगेगा यार.
So this is where the human element comes in. And
यहाँ पर मोबाइल स्नैच हो रहे हैं. AI को क्या पता है? हाँ. Yeah.
No, so your human element, you're saying that the human element will monitor the AI performance.
I would like to think so. But I could be horribly wrong. I usually am.
Interesting. And so how
I'll tell you one funny story though.
Yeah.
I was just recently reading. I mean, AI has its limitations, right?
Yeah.
It's developing technology. So the military was testing AI facial recognition.
Okay.
Achha, now they've gone beyond facial recognition, right? There's gait recognition.
Yes.
You know कि जरा झुक के चलता है फैजान, थोड़ा सा यूं चलता है, जरूरी है फैजान होगा, right? They cross check it, blah blah blah. So they took a military robot and they put it in the middle of a field, like nothing around it.
Right.
Okay. And it had facial recognition, AI powered facial recognition, and they said to these 7 US Marines, कि sneak up on it and let's see if it detects you. It didn't detect even one of them. You know how?
How?
अच्छा, 3 of them didn't walk. They somersaulted. कलाबाजियां खा के आ गए.
Right.
अच्छा, AI को समझ ही नहीं आई.
हाँ, तो
यार इंसान तो चलते हैं.
हाँ.
इंसान कलाबाजी तो नहीं खाते. So it didn't recognize them as people. The other guys वो डब्बे, एक कार्डबोर्ड का डब्बा लिया. उसके अंदर घुस के ना वो उसके नजदीक जा रहे हैं. अच्छा, AI उल्लू का पट्टा है ना थोड़ा सा. वो कह रहा है यार तो डब्बा आ रहा है मेरी तरफ, डब्बे से तो कोई मसला नहीं है. The last guy he pulled like a Macbeth. Okay, you know, like and what he did is कि उसने पूरा दरख्त लिया, उसकी सारी टहनियां काट के उसने अपने ऊपर चिपका दी, and like a tree he walked up to the AI.
Right.
So the AI is like ये तो दरख्त आ रहा है. अच्छा, AI को किसी ने बोला नहीं कि यार दरख्त नहीं चलते गधे. You know, the point is कि you see there will always be blind spots. There will always be something to be.
But once the AI learns all of these things, let's say it goes through this process of learning over the next 5-10 years, then what happens?
Probably the apocalypse. I mean, I hope so. I've been waiting for an apocalypse my entire life.
So then that means all these movies like iRobot थी एक,
iRobot,
and then there was Gattaca.
I think we're almost at Gattaca.
Yeah. So were they sensitizing? Or what was the purpose of them to sensitize audiences that the future is going to look like this?
I don't believe it from the, okay, if you're looking at it from the point of view कि इनको पहले से पता था और ये हमें बता रहे थे, that's bullshit. Okay, Jules Verne's predicted the submarine for God's sakes. तो क्या उसको पहले से ख्वाब में आया था? यार, these things are extrapolation and logical thinking. You take what is existing and then you imagine what's going forward. For example, the first automatic doors that I ever saw were in Star Trek. The original Captain Kirk wali, you know, Star Trek. They go, दरवाजा खुलता है.
That was the 60s or something.
60s. अच्छा, बचपन में मुझे याद है ये Holiday Inn, which is now Marriott, right? एक ही होटल होता था, Nadia coffee shop.
I remember the sliding doors there. And that was a thing.
So I went in there, I'm like, oh my God, ये तो Star Trek हो गया. तो क्या was Star Trek part of the conspiracy to introduce sliding doors? You know, I mean, I'm honest to God, man. With one thing I'm allergic to is these conspiracy theorists. I will tell you, the globalists and George Soros are doing a great reset. मैंने कहा वो क्या है?
So you don't believe in the Rothschilds and the Zionists?
I will tell you what I believe in. But I'm coming to that. The Great Reset, मैंने कहा ये क्या है कि दुनिया के 70% आबादी को खत्म करेगा, and I'm like, and this is a bad thing. Why? यार, look at us. Do you think we deserve to exist?
Yeah.
I mean, Thanos was right, यार.
Yeah.
Except कि 50% कुछ नहीं है. मैं तो कहता हूँ कि 80-90% उड़ा दो पूरी दुनिया की आबादी को, ताकि सांस लेने का टाइम मिले बंदे को यार. Obviously, I don't want to be on that list. I want to be that list. वो एक अलग बात है. We can discuss the technicalities later. I don't believe, I'm not a big fan of conspiracy theories because you know why? They're comforting.
Explain that.
Alan Moore, okay, and I mean, okay, so I'm going to say कि I said this before I read the Alan Moore quote because people always like, you're just quoting Alan Moore. मैंने कहा तुम्हें पता भी कौन है कि Alan Moore कौन है यार, खुदा का खौफ करो, तुमने कौन सी उसकी कुछ चीजें पढ़ी. Anyway, before going into like nerd territory, which we can, conspiracy theories are comforting because when you start to believe that, oh, the world is run by like these invisible forces, be there the Rothschilds, be there the Illuminati, be there the lizard people, be there some underground race, jo bhi aap kehna chahe. That means you believe that someone is actually controlling things for better or for worse.
And when you believe that,
you understand that the reality of the universe is that it is cold, uncaring, and chaotic, and you do not matter, right? That's terrifying.
Yeah.
That's terrifying. Because now you are staring into the void of uncertainty and chaos.
Right.
And if all of human civilization is anything, it is the struggle to make order out of chaos. Chaos terrifies us.
Yeah. But that explains religion right there.
Well, it explains everything. It explains every belief system. Every social structure we have created is an effort to bring light out of the dark. Right. But here we are. Look, again, as above, so below. We are a single globe spinning in an sea of blackness. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you.
कम कोलंबियन चीजें लगाया करो, चीजें कम आएंगी यार. क्या हो गया है तुम्हें? हाँ, कम से कम शो के दौरान तो बंदा ऐसे काम नहीं करता है यार. जो भी है, बाद में फिर चलेंगे हम कोने में, बाथरूम चलेंगे हम. Anyway, तो क्या नाम है, तो so like it's comforting. अच्छा, also it means कि I Zarar Khodo, I'm not a loser because I'm a loser because I smoke dope all night and I don't go to work.
But it's
I am a loser क्योंकि ये जो होती है ना, ये कभी मुसलमानों को उठने नहीं देंगे. भाई पहले उठने की कोशिश तो करो मेरी जान.
So you've passed on your accountability to someone else.
You have,
in a sense.
It's you have delegated your loserness. I'm no longer a loser, and that is why you see these extremist ideologies have so much appeal, because now I'm not Zarar Khodo, a loser. Now I am a fighter in a global war between good and evil. You have actual political party members in this country who believe that they are actually, ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है, ये कोई Mordor है और Lord of the Rings है, हाँ, और ये Frodo है, वो Sauron है. Oh, भाई, life is not like that.
So let me go into nerd territory a little bit.
Ji, please.
Do you, okay, so now if you look at human civilization, right? The advent of civilization, they say, started when the agricultural revolution took place and people had more time to sit around because food was now being collected, stored, and traded. And so they didn't have to go out and actually like forage for food every day, right?
Yeah.
Did that thinking of religion and this thinking, do you think that period was the start of this thinking when they had more time, and that people who were before that?
Religion predates the existence of what we like to, what you have defining currently. Excuse me, those are known as hydraulic civilizations.
Right.
Civilizations that grew in and around water sources, which obviously
exactly.
You can't grow a civilization
of course.
without, right?
Of course.
मतलब tanker mafia तो नहीं था ना.
Exactly.
अच्छा, tanker mafia भी कहीं से तो ला ही रहा है ना यार. Anyway, तो point is कि उन दिनों में नहीं था, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. शायद इसीलिए वो civilization ने तरक्कियां की हैं. I don't know. I've forgotten how about religion. There are indications that religion predates that, and I'll give you a small example. Okay? In what is now, I think, current Morocco, Algeria, Maghreb Algeria. Now, there have been several human races. Right?
Yes.
हम तो Homo sapiens हैं.
Sapiens अलग थे.
Denisovians.
Exactly.
Right?
ये इसी book में पूरा define किया है, Sapiens में बल्कि.
Sapiens में भी है और हाँ, मतलब that's a good sort of
an overview.
Overview. But it's just that. It's an overview.
Homo erectus, Homo sapiens,
the Homo denisovians. Then there's obviously the Neanderthals.
The Neanderthals.
Or there's also Homo fiorensis, which are fascinating because they were these monas.
Right.
In this island of Indonesia, they were actually hobbits.
Interesting.
Like the Lord of the Rings hobbits.
So there were 4 different, let's say, human civilizations running in parallel.
At least.
We survived. The sapiens survived.
We survived because I guess हम सबसे ज़्यादा कमीने थे.
हरामी बहुत थे.
हमने कहा कि मार डालो सबको. अभी भी हम यही हैं ना. Basically हम वही कौम है. हम कौम वही हैं. उन दिनों में हम खाले पहनते थे. अब हम मतलब अच्छे लिबास पहन रहे हैं. हाँ, हम नेज़ों से
अभी भी हम खाले पहनते हैं. अभी उन खालों पे लुई विटॉन और गुची लिखा होता है.
हाँ. नहीं, देखो, खाल सिर्फ भाई की है. ठीक है. ये कराची के शहर की बात है.
हाँ, नहीं, यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ.
Sorry, मैं पुराने ज़मानों का बंदा हूँ यार. मुझे यही याद है. नहीं, so point is कि Denisovians, right, again migratory.
Right.
But there is evidence of ritual burying. Right, giving of artifacts, producing flowers, which indicates a societal bond.
And that predates your agricultural civilization.
Far before that. So that indicates, societal bonds, you know, that you love the person, but the fact that you're putting in items could also symbolize a belief in some kind of afterlife. You can't have a belief in some kind of afterlife without having some kind of religion.
So you think that kind of, let's say, that human of that time, that they would have had a similar thought process of existence or existentialism,
of the need to
feel important,
of the need to make sense
of chaos. But there was no chaos back then. What chaos was there? But the world was empty.
हाँ, तो मतलब भालू तुम्हारे पीछे भाग रहे हैं, तुम्हें खा जाएंगे.
एक भालू है यार.
एक भालू है.
यहाँ तो रोज भालू ही भालू है पूरे शहर में.
नहीं तो उन दिनों में भी बहुत भालू थे यार, शेर भी थे. नहीं, point is कि it's an uncertain life ना यार. देखो, I mean, okay, the rain doesn't come, you starve. The too much rain comes, you drown.
So उस ज़माने की chaos was natural. Nature created chaos.
I mean, look, call it uncertainty, call it challenges.
So it was so they needed comfort in uncertainty.
Everyone does, don't we all?
That's true.
We still need it. I need it.
And so you turn to sort of a higher power,
we always
or
need
a
something.
reason or a logic as to why this uncertainty is afflicting you.
That's why politicians sell emotions, right? Politicians don't sell policies and platforms.
Right.
When was the last time you heard a politician go up and say, so here is my 5-point plan to increase GDP? मैं सो जाऊंगा 2 मिनट. लोग कहेंगे आप खैरतमंद कौम हो, सब कहेंगे हाँ, क्योंकि पता हो कि नहीं हो. You see, और वो आपको वो माल बेचने जो आप नहीं हो. जैसे मैं आपको कहूं कि यार, मतलब देखो Casanova, you know Casanova, right? Famous lover of history. If you guys don't know, look it up. Casanova ने पता है क्या कहा था? Praise the beautiful for their intelligence and the intelligent for their beauty. You know? So
what does that achieve?
What that achieves is because a beautiful woman has been complimented on her beauty 1,000,000 times.
Right.
You sell her something nobody has ever sold her before.
Right. Now
what do you think politics is?
Yeah.
वहां पे आप बच्चे फंसा रहे हो, यहाँ पे आप कौन फंसा रहे हो? बस प्रिंसिपल एक ही है. प्रिंसिपल एक ही है. फंसाना.
Ab you talked about, so you touched a little about.
It's worked for me beautifully. I mean, I will tell you this. You know.
So you touched on rituals that took place in different times in history. And you and I were talking about something a little bit earlier, about rituals where people believe by doing these really weird things, उनका फायदा हो जाएगा.
हाँ. If you're talking about like sort of, we were talking about black magic murders.
Magic murders.
I mean, obviously, देखो, I mean, if we were to expand this into magic and magical beliefs, so I mean, then we'll go all the way back to, you know, the Neanderthals and their cave paintings, which you could.
But it all links back possibly to the same notion.
Sir, everything links back.
Okay, bhai, I want organization in chaos. I want to believe that the uncertainty is certain, in a sense.
Yeah. That there is method to the madness.
That there's method, and I'm willing to do whatever it takes, cut people up even, if it requires.
Yes, absolutely.
And you were telling me about this murder that recently took place.
Daya Bhil.
Tell me about this.
45-year-old widow, Bhiliani. You know, there's a Bhil caste in Sindh. There's the most like sort of downtrodden of the Hindu castes in this particular.
Where in Sindh is this?
This is district Sangar.
Okay.
I think it's a place called Sinjhodo.
Right.
But it's in district Sangar. So what happened is 27 December ko, you know, she sort of disappeared. And at night they found her body. And it was mutilated in a way that I can barely describe.
Wow.
Okay. I don't know. Like,
you did describe it, and it's left a horrific. No, I don't want you to describe it, but it's left a horrific image in my mind. Absolutely.
You're lucky you didn't see the pictures. I saw those.
Oh,
and
God.
I swear to God, when I first saw them, the
and this is all covered in news?
Oh, yeah. This was staged. I mean, it didn't get the kind of airtime it should have because हमारा तो बस यही है ना कि यार आज इसने इसके बारे में ये कहा है, इसका क्या मतलब है?
आज डिसॉल्व हो गई असेंबली, आज नहीं होगी,
आज नहीं है, आज इलेक्शन है, आज नहीं है, आज इसने गाली दी, आज उसने उसको कमीना का.
लेकिन यहाँ पे ब्लैक मैजिक के नाम पे मर्डर्स हो रहे हैं.
नहीं, but it's fascinating to me. I mean, okay, so I'm very morbid.
हाँ.
Okay. Like, I mean, तो मुझे दुनिया जहान की किसी भी...
I picked that up on that description.
Yeah, you got that vibe. I'm incredibly morbid. I was always that weird kid, you know, with like the, you know, like the horror magazines and मतलब वो, you know, Dracula के poster लगे होते हैं, बाकियों ने मतलब film star लगाए होते हैं, मैंने बलाएं लगाई होती थी. You know, I mean, you can ask me about any serial killer literally in the world and I will most probably be able to tell you about that.
Oh my goodness.
ठीक है, so I gravitate towards this kind of stuff. Like, Shahzeb, like Jilani is also like, you know, there's something wrong with you. And I'm like, मैंने कहा एक चीज होती तो मैं बताता. मैंने कहा
There are many things wrong with them. Many things
take
wrong
your
with me.
pick. MCQ में 100 questions हैं, 100 choices हैं आपके पास. तो हाँ, तो I mean, she was like the flesh was removed from her face.
Wow.
She was skinned, and there was some evidence that her organs had been removed. Now,
Unbelievable.
Now, when it first came in, naturally, once जो instinct होता है ना कि okay, violence against women. I mean, or rather, it's gender based. Like
Right.
she was killed because she's a woman.
Right.
Or this is some kind of religiously motivated lynching.
Right.
मैंने जब तस्वीरें देखी ना, मैंने कहा कि यार ये कोई
सीन ही कुछ और
आगे
है.
की चीज है.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, we've seen, you know,
Yeah.
GBV, we've
Yeah.
seen religions-based lynchings. This is not that.
Yeah.
तो फिर पता है क्या हुआ कि also nature of the case ना, so the police really went all in, and I have
Right.
to say कि मतलब DIG Chandiyo जो है वहाँ की,
Yeah.
did an excellent job.
Right.
Credit where credit is due. हम पुलिस को बहुत गालियां देते हैं, लेकिन जब काम भी करते हैं तो हमें
Recognize करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए. तो पता लगा कि I mean, even in the beginning people were like कि यार इसमें कुछ है ये.
Right.
So eventually they arrested these two local sorcerers. They're called Rupos.
हाँ.
Rupu ऐसे कुछ कहते हैं उन्हें. So then I started going into this rabbit hole, and you know there are dozens of killings which after they were caught, like you know they were like कि अच्छा नहीं, मुझे एक पीर ने कहा था कि अगर तुम इसकी बलि चढ़ाओगे तो तुम्हें मतलब
Right.
you know कारोबार में कामयाबी मिलेगी, so
Right.
on and so forth. अच्छा, if you go into India you find much the same dynamic.
Right.
You know, जैसे एक औरत है, उसके 3 बच्चे मतलब पैदा होने के बाद ही मर गए थे. So she went and sacrificed her nephew.
Oh wow.
You know, in order to be blessed. Because see, the basic fundamental law of magical theory is that nothing is for free.
You have to sacrifice.
You have to give and you have to take.
Is this more pronounced in parts where literacy and education don't exist?
I would say yes, but also I would have to add a caveat here. Okay, for example, even in Malaysia, you found these kind of cases, and from prominent politicians and stuff like that. So you see, it's not just about literacy and education. I think it is also to do with uncertainty and desperation. Like, I mean, I'll give you another example. ठीक है? I mean, जैसे कि, for example, like, okay, so there are some places where there are deep held cultural beliefs in black magic, like Tanzania, for example. In Tanzania, what is used for the worst of the blood rituals is the body parts of albinos.
Wow.
Yeah. Like, I mean,
Still in this today.
right now, I mean, look it up. Look it up. Albinos get abducted. They sometimes have their limbs amputated and then they're released. Sometimes their entire body is used. Like, for example, मैं पढ़ा था, I think, I don't remember which magazine. I think with National Geographic में शायद. And a couple others. You can always cross-check, cross-verify. As one always has to
Right.
do. एक चीज पर कभी अपनी story base ना करें, तो check करें. तो the severed hand of an albino in Tanzania apparently can fetch $40,000.
Wow.
हाँ?
It's insane.
अब मुझे बताओ कि जब तुम्हें कोई बंदा 10,000 रुपए के मोबाइल फोन में तुम्हारी खोपड़ी के अंदर 2 गोलियां डाल सकता है, तो वो तुम्हारा हाथ क्यों नहीं काटेगा $50,000 के लिए? मैं भी सोच सकता हूँ. अगर आपका नहीं, मतलब अगर आपका
नहीं,
हाथ,
शुक्र
अगर
है
आपका हाथ $50,000 का होता तो मैं कहता है एक सेकंड हाथ तो दिखाओ यार.
इसके
हाथ
आपको
मिलाओ यार.
500 रुपए नहीं मिलेंगे.
वही तो मसला है, इसलिए तो आपके हाथ अभी हैं आपके पास ना. ये हाथ मुझे
तो लेकिन ये इसका मतलब coming back to your point is seeking certainty in chaos.
Yeah, some kind of order.
It's some kind of order. You're willing.
And imposing your will upon the chaos. I mean, I think magic is largely that. I mean,
Because
magical theory.
Because you pointed out earlier that most people, if they started believing that they are irrelevant, they are just but one of billions of organisms or living things.
You are unique, just like the other 8 billion.
Right. But with this, by doing, participating in empowers you.
Power and agency.
And so it is all about empowering the self, and you are willing to go above and beyond and do whatever it takes and sacrifice whatever, as long as it gives me peace of mind and empowering myself.
Which is why, you know, sort of ethical and moral boundaries are critical, right?
So now how can you, keeping this in mind, affect national discourse and national thinking? Because I think Pakistan is going through that right now, in that people feel like they are powerless.
Yeah.
And at this point in time, especially now.
So I feel like that.
So, but how do we can't all turn to black magic, can we?
No.
So what is it that we need to do to get out of this mindset? Because I think we're all in that mindset today. You've given the examples of black magic. Okay, blame it on the Illuminati, blame it on some sort of religious whatever. But those are not logical choices.
For many people, unfortunately, they seem to be. I wish I had an answer for you, but I don't.
Because how do we move forward? We don't move forward with any of these things. Relying on any of these things, you're not making forward progress.
No.
And a lot of people are stuck encircling in just these kinds of ritualistic behaviors, be it whatever it is.
Yaar, dekho,
So how do we snap out
I
of
don't
it?
have an answer for that. I don't.
So,
I don't.
okay,
Also,
so-
I mean, look.
So what if I suggested, would capitalism be the answer for that?
Nahi, dekho.
Because I mean, look, if you are rewarded through wealth creation,
Well, I mean, look, again, like when we see again, that's too broad a term for me, right? For example, I mean, unfettered capitalism is destruction.
so let me come and narrow it down. You talked a lot about the rent-seeking mindset of the real estate industry and why we haven't grown. What if we actually drove a capitalistic mindset where we incentivized everyone to take that money and build enterprise and create value?
Yeah.
And monetize everything.
Yes.
And once you get, which is what North America does. And if you get into that mindset, and I'm not saying you and I'm saying you take that mindset, the North American mindset, wouldn't that snap you out of the current?
To some extent. Look, again, I think a lot of it is just regulatory, right? And also the leakages in our system, I mean, are the killers here. You know? I mean, I don't know if I'm answering the question properly. Absolutely, we need to incentivize all of these things. But at the same time, I think fundamentally, yaar, हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा मसला, I mean, बिल्कुल, I agree with Khan Saab when he says this. One of our biggest problems is simply rule of law. You know, I mean, when I see that as a rich man, you can get away with murder, but as a poor man, you cannot. ठीक है यार, कोई जाए ना, ये अब मैं आपको एक छोटी सी मिसाल देता हूँ. You heard about this nano loan scam?
Nano loan scam,
Nano loans. Okay, so very briefly, you know, ये अगर आप कोई भी YouTube खोले ना, आपको एक ad मिलेगा. ये पैसा, वो पैसा. मैं easy पैसा की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That's something completely different. वो मतलब मोबाइल वॉलेट है, right? You know कि like आप अप्लाई करें, आपको ये 10,000 रुपए 20,000.
हाँ, ठीक है, समझ
यार,
गया.
इट्स अ ह्यूज ब्लडी स्कैम. एक तो मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट रजिस्टर्ड. दूसरी बात है कि वो जब आप अप्लाई करते हो ना, वो डायरेक्टली आपको लोन दे देते हैं एंड देन दे स्टार्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग एक्सॉर्बिटेंट इंटरेस्ट ऑन इट. ठीक है, कंप्लीटली अनरेगुलेटेड. अच्छा, 20-30-40,000 रुपए की बात होती है. ठीक है, लेकिन उनका जो ऐप है, इट कैन एक्सेस योर कॉन्टैक्ट्स एंड इट कैन एक्सेस योर फोन गैलरी. सो आई नो दिस इज अ फर्स्ट.
I've heard of this. Now I know. Yes. I've heard of it in a different name.
वही.
Basically, वो अपने pictures ढूंढते हैं and then they start exploiting you with your pictures.
यार,
5,000 रुपए के लिए.
This colleague of mine, his wife unfortunately applied for it. को मुश्किल हो गई होगी.
Right.
And they actually, like, they started harassing her, calling her from different numbers, calling people in her contacts.
Right.
And saying कि
I've
जी
heard
आपकी
of this.
प्राइवेट गैलरी की तस्वीरें हम पब्लिक कर देंगे.
Right.
अच्छा, अब मैं आपको छोटी सी मिसाल दे रहा हूँ. ये है ना, क्योंकि आपने 30-35-40,000 रुपए का हाथ मारा है. हाँ, आप 20 करोड़ का हाथ मारो ना, बैंक आपके पास आएगा और करके सर अल्लाह के वास्ते यार थोड़ा सा तो वापस कर दो.
हाँ.
तो यू सी दैट्स द थिंग.
That's true.
यू नो, जो जालें हैं ना हमारी, उसमें छोटी मछलियां पड़ जाती हैं. जो वेल है ना, जो शार्क है ना, वो तो जाल को चबा के निकल जाएगी बॉस. तो यू सी, अनलेस यू फिक्स दैट, यू कांट फिक्स एनीथिंग. आई मीन, व्हाई शुड आई ओबे द लॉ? व्हाई? क्यों भाई? हाँ, it is, and you see again, I mean, जैसे for example,
To create order in society and a structured way
screw
of living.
society यार. If I see कि भाई वो जो बंदा वीगो में 10 गार्ड के साथ वो 10 सिग्नल तोड़ के जा रहा है, मैं अपनी स्विफ्ट में नहीं तोड़ सकता, तो भाड़ में गई सोसाइटी. हाँ, क्यों जला दूं मैं ऐसी सोसाइटी को ना?
तो फिर रूल ऑफ लॉ से शुरू करना चाहिए.
तो वही
हर चीज सिर्फ रूल ऑफ लॉ पे आती है.
लेकिन देखो, बिकॉज कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, वो देखो मसला ये है कि लॉ आपके लिए है, मेरे लिए नहीं है. मैं तो अबव द लॉ हूं ना.
हाँ.
You know, तो
ये माइंडसेट है या प्रिवेल करता है.
बिल्कुल माइंडसेट है हमारा, है ना वो नवाबों वाला माइंडसेट.
Right.
हाँ, हर बंदा अपने आप को होली का समझता है. हर शाख पर माफिया बैठा हुआ है. क्या आपको पता है कि कराची में छालिया माफिया है? Are you aware of this?
Yeah, but actually I watched the episode. We had Ikrar here. We had Ikrar here. We had a discussion with him about this. कि उसने भी शो किया था, unearth किया था, and they're making crores.
Sir, they hired a crooked cop to murder the drug inspector.
Wow.
ये मैं छालिया माफिया की बात कर रहा हूँ. अब लैंड माफिया की तो आप बात ही ना करो. ये छालिया माफिया है भाई. वो बंदे फुड़का सकते हैं. बाकी क्या, मतलब क्या कहने के लिए रहेगी है. अच्छा, पानी का माफिया कौन कंट्रोल करता है?
सबको
जानते हैं. हम नाम नहीं ले सकते. Rhymes with danger. You know, मैं ये कह सकता हूँ, a dog in the manger.
यार काली वीगो मुझे लगता है आज नजर आने वाली है।
आजकल वीगो मार्केट में शॉर्ट है। ड्यू टू क्योंकि एलसी खुल नहीं रही ना, कोई इंपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा।
शायद ये नहीं पता होगा लेकिन नॉन कस्टम गाड़ियां सबसे ज्यादा कौन चलाता है
सर?
तो वो तो शॉर्ट कभी नहीं होगी।
चमन बॉर्डर पर एक बहुत ही छोटे किस्म के रैंकिंग ऑफिसर, एक फौजी अफसर केम अंडर अ स्पोर्ट्स कार। अब मुझे एग्जैक्टली नाम याद नहीं है, हो सकता है मेरे से गलती हो।
I heard about this
फरारी
story.
थी,
ये story, this was a big story.
टॉप लेवल की चीज, मतलब ये पूरी आप बिल्डिंग बेच दो ना तो आप शायद उसका 2 टायर खरीद सकते हो। सही है, वो वाला। पता लगा कि यार वो गाड़ी चला रहा था कोई वहां के लोकल कमांडेंट का बेटा। मुझे बताओ मेरी जान, ये तुम इस तनख्वाह पर 1.5-2 हज़ार साल भी काम करो ना, तुम उस गाड़ी का ट्यूनअप नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकते। तुम्हारे पास कहाँ से आई फरारी?
सही बात है।
हाँ, तो जब हम पूछते हैं ना सवाल, तो जवाब हमारे सामने है बॉस। वो एक बात है कि अगर कहते हैं ना कि देयर इज कंप्लीट फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, इट इज फ्रीडम आफ्टर एक्सप्रेशन दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम।
वेल सेड, आई लाइक दैट,
थैंक यू वेरी मच। ये मैं पहले से सोच के आता हूँ ये चीजें,
तो अगर
ताकि स्पॉन्टेनियस लगे।
So if you're saying the solution is rule of law, ठीक है,
one solution,
but to solve that problem or enforce rule of law, the enforcers of the law are breaking the law, then how will we ever have rule of law?
Quo custodiet ipsos custodius. Who watches the watchman?
That is a good question. That is absolutely, and that is the question that we
again
need to
there's
ask.
no answer to it.
There's no answer. This is where maybe we need that quality control check that you talked about
Batman.
for AI.
Batman.
You need
मैं बता रहा हूँ,
we need Batman.
you need, actually we don't need the Batman, we need the Punisher.
It's just ruthless.
We need the Punisher.
Ruthless.
अबे बैटमैन बेचारे की गाड़ी मतलब खड्डों में फंस जाएगी। लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, वो देखो बुर्का पहन के घूम रहा है, you know, तो कोई फायदा नहीं है बैटमैन का यार यहाँ पे।
So
another thing I will say also, sorry, just I mean, since we're on the rule of law, this is like a pet theme for me, you know. अतः जब भी कोई बहुत कोई बहुत बुरी कोई केस आता है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे जैनब का केस था कसूर में,
राइट,
या मोटरवे गैंग रेप केस, पहली क्या आवाज निकलती है, इनको चौक में टांगो। हाँ यार, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द सिवियरिटी ऑफ पनिशमेंट ना, इट्स अबाउट द सर्टेनिटी ऑफ पनिशमेंट। यार लेस देन 1% ऑफ रेप केसेस एवर गेट कन्विक्टेड। हाँ, किनको चौक में टांगोगे? दो लोगों को कुछ नहीं होता इन चीजों से, कुछ नहीं होता इन चीजों से। But it's
there was a very high profile murder case in Karachi about 10 years ago in which if I recall correctly, and it was in the news, I think just maybe a few weeks ago, like DSP का जो बेटा था, and that
शाहरुख जतोई वाली बात। हाँ,
what ended up with that?
Well, I mean, now we're going to get into the technicalities of the fact that you should not be applying the Anti-Terrorism Act to simple murders सिर्फ इस बुनियाद पे कि माशरे में खौफ व हिरास फैला हुआ है। That's weak. And in the hands of a skilled lawyer, they can demolish it. And once the ATA provisions go, then the path to compromise is open. And that is one huge curse, is the misuse of the Qisas and Diyat laws in Pakistan.
So you're saying,
huge curse.
But then how can you implement rule of law when the structure of law itself is questionable?
Well, I don't have an answer for that either.
So we have a lot
मैं तो सिर्फ आपको बता रहा हूँ कि क्या होना चाहिए, मुझे नहीं पता कि कैसे होगा। हाँ,
बहुत सवाल हैं, बहुत जवाब हैं जो हमारे पास नहीं है। And I think we just have to live with the optimism and the hope that it will get better.
हाँ, मतलब दुनिया उम्मीद पे ही कायम है यार।
दुनिया उम्मीद पे ही कायम
है।
Thank you, Sarar. Thank you for the time. It was such a lovely chat.
Always
and
a pleasure,
I always learn stuff from you every time we meet. And,
next time we'll do serial killing.
We'll do a deep dive in serial killing.
Please, let's do it.
I don't think anyone's ever talked about that on a podcast.
I'll do it. Actually, I know the perfect person for it too, but she's out of the country. She's very good on serial killers.
So that is our next topic of discussion. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like the content. That's important. And stay tuned for the next episode. Bye-bye.